For this test, we are working with Friedrichs Markt Jangst, a company with 18 employees located in Gothenburg, Sweden. The company is very advanced and uses a wide range of Trimble solutions including total stations, machine control, site positioning systems, and office software. The study took place at a small construction site where they are building 2 new houses. The project includes drilling and blasting rock and designing new roads to the houses. The 3D models are designed in Trimble Business Center for use in machine control and surveying. For the first test, we measured the rock surface before drilling and blasting to find out how much faster it would be using tilt compensation. First, Friedrich measured 200 points of the rock surface without the tilt compensation feature. He has to ensure the pole is leveled for each recorded point. It took him 15 minutes and 45 seconds to measure 200 points with the SPS986 without tilt compensation. Next, Friedrich used the Trimble SPS986 with tilt compensation to measure the same rock surface and collect the same number of points. You can see how easily he can move and measure accurate points without leveling the pole. He can even reach points in places he would not be able to reach without this feature. It took him 9 minutes and 52 seconds to record 200 points with the SPS986 with tilt compensation. Using the Trimble SPS986 with tilt compensation was 38% faster. Using tilt compensation, he could also measure accurate points in places he could not reach without it, such as in water puddles and underneath the parked drilling rig. This improves the accuracy of the rock surface measurement. Without tilt compensation, it is not possible to measure an accurate point close to a wall. The workaround is to place a tape measure on the ground from the foundation and 2 meters out. Then measure a point on 1 and 2 meters from the foundation. After that, you can calculate the actual point on the foundation in your Trimble Business Center office software. With tilt compensation, it is really easy and can be done in a few seconds. Just place the tilted pole against the foundation and measure a point. Done. In this test, we measured a road simultaneously. The SPS986 with tilt compensation measured the left side of the road, and the SPS985 measured the right side of the road. 35 points were measured on each side of the road. You can see Friedrich is not stopping to level and record every point. On the other side, Robert has to stop and level the pole before he can measure and record his points. It took Friedrich 2 minutes and 5 seconds to record 35 points and reach the end of the road. Robert finished after 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Without tilt compensation, surveyor had to stop to level the pole with every point. Time, 3 minutes 55 seconds. With tilt compensation, surveyor did not have to stop and level the pole with every point. Time, 2 minutes 5 seconds. Using tilt compensation was 42% faster than without. To check the accuracy of tilt compensation, we set out a point, tilt and turn the pole and check the numbers on the screen. You can see that they stay the same or just show very little deviation.